Sure. I like to get everywhere in every corners.
Okay, I know, baby.
Especially since it's bugs.
Well, here, you want to take over then?
I gotta get ready for work.
I know, calm down.
Try to call Michelle, she's not answering.
She raving it.
Michael said he'll keep her. He'll keep
Mama.
her.
Oh my Jesus, kid. She wants to get down there, that's fine.
Get her, but no, I think she's gonna get really tired.
Oh.
What?
Yeah, because I recorded some videos for you.
Affordable insurance? Damn, nigga, you should have went to
Michael put on some rave music and he was dancing
Emerald's
around
Insurance
all crazy
Agency.
here, and she saw him and she started copying him and she's still doing it right now.
She's just running in circles.
And she keeps jumping and falling and she's just shaking her butt and everything. And it's funny, you can see her hair bouncing.
Oh, that's when you really got it. Gotta get into it now. I'm tired now. Can we do it with you, babies?
I thought she ate with you.
I do it with you. Come here, Jess.
We ate like way earlier before she even came.
Come on, Jess.
She ate some donuts. And Jeanette's just jumping around them.
I'm gonna tag you in this, bro.
Michael, she has your glasses.
Okay, slow down there, Ray, buddy. Let me get these. Now let's go. Oh, here we go.
It all fell on Pax.
They might have to use two on you to start a double.
She's tired.
That, or you might just have to do like not your stomach or your thighs get hurt.
My neck.
You know what I mean? Like probably just do like your arms or something. I don't know.
Okay, I'm done.